Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create the viral 3D Zoom Pro edit in CapCut. So here I already add a photo, and you need to note that the 3D Zoom Pro edit can only be applied to photo. So after you import the photo, just click on that and go to Style, and then find the 3D Zoom Pro effect. Okay, this one's right here. Click on that effect and wait for it to generating. Okay, so here's the result for the 3D Zoom Pro, but to make it more dramatic, you need to go to Video Effects and go to Party and choose the Chromatic effect. Then after that, click on the check icon, and now the viral 3D Zoom Pro is done. Here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and please click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.